Hey, TechKnowStuds. One thing that gives us access into things is cryptography keys. And so we want to make sure that we keep our cryptography keys very safe. So in this lesson, let's talk about a few aspects of keeping cryptography keys safe. We use cryptography to encrypt data. We encrypt data to keep it secure, whether that data is being stored somewhere like disk drives or in transit, whether it's our communication that's going back and forth. But in order to encrypt and then decrypt something, we have to use keys. And so we will use keys, but those keys need to be secure. A password manager helps us store passwords. We could actually store our keys inside the password manager. That's great if I'm the only one that needs access to these keys, but there's many times that these keys are used for various purposes and we need to manage these keys in a different way. These keys could be used on servers, on hard drives, for the different laptops or different systems here. Maybe it's for software. They can be used in a lot of different scenarios. So how do we keep these keys safe? There are different key management systems out there that allow us to manage these keys. Here's just a few of the examples of it. We could use a hardware security module, or HSM, or trusted platform module, which is TPM. There are also virtual HSMs. So there are different mechanisms that we can use to keep these keys safe and manage these keys. One of those examples is the hardware security module. A hardware security module is a piece of hardware. It could be something that we actually install on a server. So we would install it, maybe it's a card that we'd slip into the server that would store our keys. Now that server would have access to those keys and be able to utilize them when it needed to. Now we can start encrypting things like traffic or maybe the data that's being stored on this computer.